Yeah, hi students, welcome to this student induction program 2020-21 of our college. Now I request you all go to this particular website, type the website arenagpsc.genomeo.com, enter it, then you will get a page like this. Then login. Already I have created temporary users. Login with the credentials as shown here. The username is user1 and the password is capital letter S @123. That is the password. And you can also have user2 with the same password, user3 with the same password. Once if you log into this page, you can see here dashboard, site home, like that. You can go to site home and you can see the home page like this for this website, and you'll have available courses here. Temporarily I've created available course as a student induction program Moodle 2020-21, where you can see here different induction program that is for this program. Announcement test 1 is there. In order to experience the test for the quiz, click on the test, and you can see already I have given the last attempt. You can have even last attempt, but the password is test1. Since already I have tried to attempt the test, that's why it is asking continue the last attempt, or else right away it will ask you the quiz password. Quiz password is test1, test-1. Once if you click on that, then you will be getting the question as like this. Just answer it and go. Just read the question, select the appropriate choice. Clear, and like this you can have question display in every page. Clear. And I have tried to attempt 5 questions, so finish attempt. Go for this one. Answers saved all this way. If you want to come back to attempt, return to attempt, again you will get like this, and you can go for submit all and finish. Once again it will ask you submit all and finish, then finally it is submitted. So you'll get the score as shown here. Grade is 4 out of 10. Only 2 questions are corrected and 3 are wrong. That's why I'm getting 4 out of 10, nothing but 40%. So like that you'll have a quiz test using Moodle, our college Moodle website. And this website is just sample, and just for getting experience I've created this particular Genomeo website. Okay, so like that you'll be given within stipulated time. Once if you start the quiz, sometimes you may be given 10 minutes as quiz time, 15 minutes as quiz time, like that. So within that time period you need to answer, or else it will get submitted automatically. Okay, so that's about how to experience the quiz using Moodle. The same environment is there in our college Moodle website. If you want, you can also go through that. I'll just show you moodle.gprac.ac.in. This is the college Moodle website. So you'll be getting same login credentials. You'll be getting. So clear. So you can use username, password. Of course, username, password will be given by the college later on. Once if you get the permanent roll numbers. Is it clear? Then you can go to all the. You can also, for example, I'm just saying my credentials. So this is how we are getting a page, and wherever whatever the courses that I have registered, all the courses will be displayed here, and you can select the appropriate course. Is it clear? That's it. And you can select any one particular course, and you can see the outcomes. Some people may go for outcomes, some people any material that is available, it is also available as shown like this: assignment, attendance, synchronous machines material, like that. Any material that is uploaded, you can see it and you can download it. Is it clear? That's it about